I'm Manush, studying in grade 10 in Shakthi International School. Now we are going to see the topic of Assam. Welcome to Assam. Assam is a state where it contains 34 districts, and each district has each separate own cities. And the largest city in the Assam is Guwahati, and the capital of Assam is Dispur. And the total area of the Assam is 78,438 kilometer. And Assam lies between the latitude of 24° north to 28° north, and it lies in the land longitude of 90° east to 96° east. And the population is 3,12,05,576 peoples. And the dance which is takes place in Assam is Bihu, and most of the females will dance this Bihu dance. And the famous dress is gamosa. The traditional dress for the men of the Assam is the dhoti and gamosa. The dhoti is the common piece of garment in India which is worn on the lower part of the body. The dhoti is wrapped around the waist and it's quite difficult to carry the dhoti. The gamosa is a cloth which is a rectangular shape of is used to wipe one's body. In Assam, the gamosa is white in color and has a red border on three sides. The gamosa is also given to people in order to honor them. And the famous food in Assam is idli with variety of chutneys. Let us see the Assam's music. They will use many instruments such as Let us move on. And the language spoken in Assam is Assamese, which is shown here. Assamese. And the emblem of the Assam state is here, as mentioned. And the national symbol of the national animal of Assam is one-horned rhino, and the national bird of Assam is white-winged wood duck, and the national flower is foxtail orchid, and the national tree of Assam is holong. He is the governor, Honorable Governor of Assam, Professor Jagadish Mukhi. Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma. Himanta Biswa Sharma is Assamese. He is an Indian politician who serves as the 15th and current Chief Minister of Assam, a former member of the Indian National Congress political party. Sharma crossed the floor to join the Bharatiya Janata Party on 23 August 2015. He is a 5-time member of the Assam Legislative Assembly from Jalukbari, having first been elected in 2001. The symbol of Bharatiya Janata Party. This is the symbol of opposition party. The opposition party is All India United Democratic Front. The AIUDF is a key opposition party in Assam, which is the voice of millions of Bengali Muslims from Lower Assam and Barak Valley. It won 18 of 126 seats in 2011 Legislative Assembly election, and in 2016 it won 13 of 126 seats. Lock and key is a symbol of AIUDF. It means All India United Democratic Front. Indian Institute of Technology is located in Guwahati. We know that as there are only 23 IITs are there in India. In that we can proudly say that the Assam state contains IIT. Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati or IIT Guwahati is the 6th IIT established by the Government of India in 1994, located on the banks of the river Brahmaputra in Guwahati, Assam. IIT Guwahati is home to the first research park of Northeast India. Let us move on. This is the NIT which is located in Silchar in Assam. This is Indian Research Rainforest Research Institute, which maintains by Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education, which is located in Jorhat, Assam. Established in 1996. Haflong is a hill station which is a famous tourist place and it has a one-way road too. Assam State Museum. It has a variety of dinosaurs bones also. Zoo, Botanical Garden, Guwahati. As is mentioned, Guwahati is the largest district. It has the largest variety of tourist spots too. This is a famous monument which is located in Guwahati also. The ruins of Da Parbatia. A king named Tippu Sultan ruled here. I would like to end my speech. If you, in your life, if you had any chance to visit Assam, please visit Assam. Thank you. Have a nice day.